Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a full ride-along of the Holmes County Trail, starting right here at the Bridge of Dreams trailhead. There's plenty of parking here to get your ride started, and the big highlight is, of course, the Bridge of Dreams itself. At over 370 feet long, it's one of the longest covered bridges in the entire United States. It crosses the Mohican River and is shared not only by cyclists and walkers, but also by Amish horse and buggy traffic, which is pretty unique and fits perfectly since Holmes County is the heart of Amish Country, home to the largest Amish community in the world. So don't be surprised if we see a buggy or two along the way. From here, we'll follow the trail south to Glenmont, riding through rolling farmland, shaded tree tunnels, and some truly peaceful stretches of countryside. Along the way, we'll pass through the Killbuck Marsh Wildlife Area, one of Ohio's largest wetlands, where it's common to spot herons, egrets, and plenty of other birdlife. After Glenmont, we'll check out the new extension that connects toward Route 520. Now, it's not fully complete yet. The plan is to have it run all the way into Killbuck by the fall of 2027, but it's exciting to see how this trail system keeps expanding and opening up new riding opportunities. We'll wrap up today's ride in the town of Killbuck, which is a nice laid-back spot that makes for the perfect end to the journey. So get ready for a ride that combines a little history, a little wildlife, some small-town Ohio charm, and a whole lot of scenery. Let's hit the trail and get rolling.
Pedals down, the morning's clean. Starting out at the Bridge of Dreams. Wood and steel span the Mohican stream. Riding through Ohio like a country dream. Rolling the trail, wind in my hair. Holmes County riding, take me anywhere. From the bridge to Glenmont, feeling so free. It's just my bike, this road. Cornfields wide and the horses past, buggy wheels humming on the shaded path. Killbuck Marsh with the herons flying. Every mile rolls by, no denying. Rolling the trail, wind in my hair. Holmes County riding, take me anywhere. From the bridge to Glenmont, feeling so free. It's just my bike, this road. Wind in my hair, Holmes County riding, take me anywhere. From the bridge to Glenmont, feeling so free. It's just my bike, this road. Rolling the trail, hear that song. Pedal by pedal, I'm right where I belong. From the bridge to Glenmont, sweet as can be. It's just my bike, this road.
All right, so we're rolling into Glenmont now, a small, quiet little village tucked here in Holmes County. The ride into town is super peaceful. You're surrounded by rolling hills, farmland, and those shady tree-lined stretches that make this trail so enjoyable. Glenmont's one of those places where time feels like it slows down a bit. With a population of just a few hundred people, it's the kind of town where everybody knows everybody. As we come into the trailhead here, you'll notice it's a pretty nice stopping spot. There's parking available if you ever want to start your ride from Glenmont instead of the Bridge of Dreams. The trailhead also has a shelter house and picnic tables, which makes it a good place to take a breather, have some water, or even pack a lunch if you're making a day of it. You're also not far from the village itself. Just a short ride off the trail, and you'll find a few local businesses and small town touches that give Glenmont its character. It's simple, but that's kind of the charm out here. Now, this is where things get exciting. At the time I recorded this video, the newest addition to the Holmes County Trail was still under construction. But as of now, it's officially complete and open to the public. This extension adds about 4 miles of fresh pavement that takes you up towards State Route 520. The ride is smooth, with gentle grades and plenty of that Holmes County scenery, open farmland, wooded patches, and those big Ohio skies. And the best part? This isn't the end. The long-term plan is to keep extending the trail all the way to Killbuck by fall of 2027. When that happens, this is going to be one of the premier long-distance trails in Ohio. So from here, we'll hop on the brand new stretch and enjoy what this extension has to offer. Fresh pavement, quiet surroundings, and that same Holmes County charm. Let's roll on up to State Route 520.
Rolling out of Glenmont, sun's riding high, new black top stretching neath the big blue sky, fresh cut pavement, wheels humming true, chasing down the miles with a wide open view. We ride, 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 rolling on the line, 4 more miles where the hills unwind, from Glenmont down to Killbuck town, pedal hard, keep the hammer down, yeah, the trail's calling, no looking back. Freedom's rolling down this brand new track. Wooded hollers, farmland white, Killbuck marsh with the herons in flight. Every curve's got a brand new song. This road was waiting, now it's rolling strong. It's ride, 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 rolling on the line, 4 more miles where the hills unwind, from Glenmont down to Killbuck town, pedal hard, keep the hammer down, yeah, the trail's calling, no looking back. Freedom's rolling down this brand new track. Wind in my face, gravel on my mind, cars on 520 riding close behind, but soon enough this trail will run all the way through Killbuck in the setting sun. Ride, 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 rolling on the line, 4 more miles where the hills unwind, from Glenmont down to Killbuck town, pedal hard, keep the hammer down, yeah, the trail's calling, no looking back. Freedom's rolling down this brand new track. Trail to Killbuck, we'll sing it free. This ride's the place I wanna be. 1 more mile, 1 more turn. On this trail I'll always return.
All right, so here we are at the end of the new trail extension. This is where the paved trail currently stops, right up near Route 520. From this point on, if you want to continue down into Killbuck, you've got to ride along the road. For most riders, I'd recommend ending your trip here at the trailhead. It's a perfect turnaround spot with plenty of space to rest, and it keeps the ride safe and enjoyable. But for the sake of this video, we're going to keep going and show you what it looks like heading into Killbuck. Just a fair warning though, this stretch of 520 has recently been tarred and chipped, which means the surface is covered with loose gravel. That makes traction tricky, especially on skinny road bike tires. On top of that, traffic tends to move pretty fast along here, and there are some blind curves that make it even more of a challenge. So while it is possible to ride, you'll want to be extra cautious, or better yet, wait until this section of trail is officially completed in the future. Once you do make it down into Killbuck, it's a small, quiet town and a good place to wrap up a day on the Holmes County Trail. There's parking here, a few local spots to grab a snack or drink, and it makes for a good connection point if you're planning a shuttle or meeting friends. When the trail eventually links up all the way through here, it's going to create one of the best continuous rides in Ohio. So that's it for today's adventure, from the Bridge of Dreams, across beautiful farmland, through Glenmont, up the new extension, and finally here into Killbuck. If you enjoyed riding along, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite part of the Holmes County Trail. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Until next time, keep pedaling, and I'll see you out on the trail.